Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. I am sure you are fine and happy. Today I am here with a new video, and the video is about amazing bathroom images. In this video, you will discover different types of bathroom ideas and a collection of amazing and eye-catching bathroom or washroom designs and images, ideas and tips and tricks. In this video, we have splashing bathroom ideas for every style, like modern and minimal bathroom or washroom, warm and rustic, small and cozy bathroom designs, and luxurious and simple bathrooms, traditional and Victorian bathrooms or washrooms, traditional and Victorian style and master bathrooms or washrooms, and three-quarter bathroom, half bathroom, corner shower bathroom, classic and vintage bathroom, Jack and Jill or split and spilled entry bathrooms, farmhouse style bathrooms, contemporary and classic bathrooms. All the designs are latest new designs. Hope you like my efforts. Please thumbs up and subscribe my channel.